In this video, we're going to take a look at how to turn off app notifications on your iPhone. We'll be going over turning off individual app notifications, say if you just want to turn a few off, and then some options that you can change to limit the notification previews that you get in general. To get started, find and then open the Settings app on your home screen. Once you're inside of here, you'll see notifications down on the page. Choose that. With the last iOS update, Apple actually got rid of the old feature that we used to have in here, where you could turn off all notifications at once with the Allow Notifications option. Instead, now we just have options on how the notifications are displayed. But we can still turn off notifications on individual apps or ones that are just constant and annoying. To do this, scroll down to the bottom section here and then find the app that you want to silence. Once you find the app that you want to silence, choose it, and then inside of here at the top, you'll see Allow Notifications. To turn it off, just tap the slider here on the right to turn off that app's notifications. You can then go ahead and do that to all the other apps that you want to silence. A couple other options that you have are how the notifications are displayed. Head back up to the top settings here, and then you'll see Display As. The default is List, and that's where you see all the notifications on your lock screen as a list. You can also set this to Stack, which will then group them to app groups. But the last one here, Count, will hide all notifications on your screen, but instead will just give you a number at the bottom, letting you know how many notifications you've missed. You can also turn the previews off here by choosing Show Previews, and then making sure that this is set to Never. The next option should be defaulted off, but you can check and make sure that screen sharing is set to notifications off too. And finally, inside of the Siri section, you can turn off Announced Notifications here. This will turn off any notifications while you're wearing headphones, for instance. By setting all of these options and then choosing which apps to turn off individually, you'll at least be able to limit the amount of notifications that you're going to be getting. And that's how you turn off app notifications on your iPhone.